Welcome back to the channel here at Tracy G. My name is Sammy. Today we're going to take a look at VELO ONDS and last but not least Rocket Lab RKLB. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like the video if you guys like this sort of content. The more likes I get, the more I'm going to make these videos. So thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get straight into it. Let's take a look at VELO first. Man, oh man, this news has been a power play. Nothing but up only, and I rarely see these kind of momentous plays, but boy, oh boy, eventually it will have to stop. And if you take a look at the RSI, I drew this box where price eventually found resistance, and in this box we are now hitting it again. Absolutely a massive swing up. So let price action tell you a story right now. That is a bullish bar, very heavy bullish bar. I don't see any resistance coming into this, so maybe tomorrow we finally get to the $15 range and tell us a story. Maybe hit 1532 going into tomorrow, because I still see a bunch of legs to the upside still. This thing has been running 50% almost every day, up and up and up and up only. So let price action tell you the story. We do have a Gartley here, so that tells you eventually price will have to exhaust. But this is just a beautiful ticker. Now, when we catch the bottom, eventually on that pullback, which it will happen, who's to say we can get another massive move to the upside? We'll just wait and see. But so far, we are inside this red box, and pay attention to this red box because we hit it multiple times, at least 3 times. Anytime we have these rallies, and then another rally here. So great play. Please take profits if you have to. Not financial advice. Believe runners. There's nothing wrong being green, taking green, and walking away happy. Moving on to RKLB Rocket Lab. So I drew a scenario here where potential we can actually have or form a handle once the exhaustion is going to come in. But again, I'm seeing a theme here with all these space tickers. Shout out to Vast CNC. Shout out to Crispy, who introduced me to the space. This is the space stock watch list. Shout out to him. He is the one that is bringing light to all these tickers. And man, again, Rocket Lab, a monster move. Now, I drew a scenario, or at least a cup and handle scenario, or essentially a rounding bottom where there's essentially a cup. But if the exhaust happens tomorrow, because we are in a key area of resistance on the RSI, but look left here, we can potentially make another monstrous move continuation. But if this was the reverse to going into tomorrow or Monday, we'll figure it out. But when that exhaustion comes in, I drew a potential handle formation, but I just hypothetically drew a measurement stick from the cup itself. And if this is, let's say, the essential cup formation here, we have the right lip eventually come down, and then that breakout to the upside is essentially going to hit you around $90. But this could be a continuation or completely get into the $100 range. But when you have these kind of massive runs, this just tells you where the trend is long term, guys. Long term, okay? Forget about short term. This is a company. This is a chart. There is a massive story to this, okay? There is a world where this can get to $100 easy. I just play the charts, folks. The trend does not lie. There is substantial upside going into next year with this ticker. Last but not least, ONDS. This is absolutely a power move, and this is another power pattern. Okay, 3 rises and valleys is essentially the top 10 patterns in the entire market. We have valleys, guys. And once you made a second valley, this was a confirmation for me where price action essentially, when you actually go ahead and turn on let me turn on the regular candles instead of Heiken Ashis. Once you broke above this key valley, the second valley here, that was your confirmation line. As you can see here, valley, it says measurement or early entry. If you're into this sort of plays, I'm looking at patterns. I play patterns. So once the valley or candles broke above this valley, I'm just saying, not financial advice. You should pay attention to the measurement rules and look at pattern placements. Example, where candles are forming, finding resistance and finding support. If you look here, resistance eventually broke out right up here. Excuse me, right up here. We broke down and we essentially made another valley off this key support line. If you look left, support, another support, and we have a candle breaking above the second valley. And the second valley, if you look here, measurement rule is your confirmation line. So once you break above the second valley, or this essential ray stick or trend line, that is your potential play to the upside. $14. I gave you the measurement rules here. Look at it, stick with it, marry it. I don't care. but this is a power move. ONDS is a strong ticker. Okay, I'm playing patterns all day in and out with this ticker, and I'm holding on to ONDS. I got in at these bottom. If you guys watched the stream, we essentially got at the bottoms yesterday. Shout out to Vast CNC again, Crispy, who introduced me to these space plays. So that is all for today. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and join the Discord, guys. Everything's all free, and I look forward to tomorrow. Thank you.